Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
Hi, this is Kevin with RVFix. Today we're going to take a look at summarizing our 2026 Alliance Delta 252 RL. So to begin with, we're going to take a look. Since we are on this side, we're going to make sure our tankless water heater shut off on the master switch out here. So once we have it to that O position is off, we just want to make sure this isn't turning on as we're summarizing. Then we're going to come to our water bay. So this is where we're going to handle putting the water into the fresh tank just through the city port. First thing we're going to want to do though, so this filter housing right here, we want to make sure we've dumped any antifreeze out of there so it's not just putting it through the system. It does come with this little tool in the owner's manual, and this just fits into the holes on the side of this to release the collar on there so that we can take that filter housing off. Okay, so it just unscrews, like I said, from that top collar. The canister doesn't actually do anything, but we just want to take this. If you have antifreeze from winterizing, we're just going to make sure we dump that all out. Because when you start putting water through this canister is the first place it goes. So if this is filled with antifreeze, you're going to end up putting that into your fresh tank. It's a little bit harder to get it out at that point. So we get it emptied out. We're going to get it thrown back on there. Get it nice and tight, then you can take the little tool and just kind of help finish it off. Nice and snug. Then the next thing you'd want to do is get water in the fresh tank. So we'd hook our hose right here in the city water port. I already have water in this guy, but we'd hook our hose here to the city port, and then you turn your valve right here to tank fill position. Then once you got about a third of a tank in that fresh tank, we're going to turn this valve to the dry camp position on there. Then we just need to head inside, kick the water pump on, and flush out the antifreeze. All right, once you got that water pump on, like I said, we're just going to kick each faucet on hot and cold and run all that pink out. And once it starts to clear up here a little bit, we'll go ahead and kick it over to cold. Okay, once the water's coming out nice and clear on hot and cold, a lot of times if you take a look in your sink base, you can see that it's, you don't have the pink in there, or if you kind of put the water in your hand as it's running. All right, then we're going to come to our bathroom sink right here. Same thing, run it on the hot and the cold. And I'm just going to let that antifreeze drain out of there. All right, then we're going to want to flush the toilet. So there's no more pink coming out of that either. Shower faucet. All right, nice and clear. All right, so once you got all the antifreeze flushed out of all your water fixtures, you'll be good to go with that summarization. This is always a good time when you're getting ready to take the unit out. Make sure you're checking your tire pressure, your wheel torque, the side seals, and then your roof seals as well. Just good pre-check summer inspection. If you do come up with any questions, you always give us a call at RVFix. We'll see if we can help you answer it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.